All right, so it's another beautiful day in sunny Australia. Not really, it's actually miserable and raining. So I've actually been working on a little bit of a project. I've got a GMC, which is, it's like a cheap offshore whippersnipper motor here in Australia that was sold by the hardware store Bunnings, which is basically, they're not the best of quality, but for some reason this one always seemed to run good. It never really had a hard life. It's got a pull starter, and if we switch it around, it's really kind of got everything we need for the project. Now this here is what it's going to go in. Well, not really this was just a cardboard model. You can see it's obviously a speedboat, but I kind of want to make something like this, or this. So what I did was I came up with this little bit here. Now this is actually the corner of like a hydroplane. So when you look at it, from this angle here, you can see it's all rounded, and I just kind of just mocked this up with cardboard. But I feel like that shape here will actually be a lot better for what I'm trying to, go with. So this shape here, which obviously I've mocked up, and it's about 35 to 40 inches long. This here I feel like it'd be super tippy in the water. So I'm going to go with the hydroplane. I'm going to also go with some 3mm MDF, which I'm going to actually seal with some polyurethane or something along them lines, just to seal the wood. And I've also ordered some props. I got 2 of them coming, so 2 props, and I've just got to go and buy the MDF. And for the controller, I'm basically just going to buy a cheap remote control car with the servos already in it, and I'm just going to rip the guts out. So that's going to be basically the introduction to the boat project. So it's about a 25cc engine, I think. Can't be any less. But yeah, I feel like that's going to go really well. So this is a project where the hot glue gun's really going to come in handy, just to hold things down, not so much to secure the wood to each other, but just to hold things together while the wood glue dries. So that's the introduction to the little RC, well, not little, but the RC speedboat. So I hope everyone can tune in. They can like, comment and subscribe, because I feel like it's going to be really, really interesting.